Hello, my hair looks messy as fuck and it's still sort of wet. But I have a wig from FESHFEN and I'm in love with it, so I'm gonna do a review on it.
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a pool for your love.
Okay, so this wig is from FESHFEN, and if you know me, you know that I like silver sort of toned wigs, and this one's like silver with like lilac roots, and it comes with a wig cap. But anyway, look how fucking pretty this wig is. I'm gonna try it on, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna straighten it, because I'm not a big fan of like curly wigs, but this one's like, it's sort of wavy, so it doesn't really matter. And I like how it sort of has a side parting, because I don't like middle partings unless I have plaits or something, so this is gonna be really fucking cute. So I'm gonna cut the lace band as close as I can to the hairline. I'll try and film what I'm doing. Sometimes I get some really fucking shit scissors, and I'm looking for a good pair of scissors for ages so I can cut lace fronts. So they always come with wig caps, and I only like these wig caps. The other ones I throw away, because these ones are just so much easier than the other ones. You have to kind of like get all your hair and put it into one place. I fucking love the colour of this wig, it's so soft. Oh. I'm probably gonna cut some hair here and some hair here, as you do, but the wig has clips either side, so clip them into each side and then sort of just adjust it. This parting was more to here, and just with sort of adjusting it, you can move it around. And this is what it looks like after I cut some of the hairs, and I put some foundation here to make it look a bit more realistic. FESHFEN's link is gonna be below. I'm gonna put a clip here. You should go check them out. This wig is so cute. I've seen it for like the longest, and I wish I could have hair this color. My link to my Instagram's gonna be below as well. You should go check that out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and leave video ideas. This wig is just so beautiful, I can't. Bye.